So, good afternoon. I'm in the parking lot of Wally World, and today is the day we're going to go over 340,000 miles. And I just want to give you a short look at the car. So I had the car now, we have been driving for 10,000 miles. This is what the tread looks like of the tires I put on. Everything else is exactly the way it was when I got the car. Done anything with the paint yet. And we got the dent is still in here and the scratches, but you can see here the tires are good. They were new. They're supposed to be, I think, 20,000 or 40,000 mile tires. Fuel pump looks nice. We changed all of this stuff. And now I'm going to get in the car because it is really cold. Then we're going to start the car up here. Let me see, where did I put the key here? Central locking is working. My bag. The Chinese rubber mats are not the same as what we used to have in Germany back in the 70s and 80s when they were made in Germany. But I guess that's just a thing. And in a few minutes we will see what this is going to look like. I have to drive now, I think 12 miles, 11 miles, and then we're going to see it go all the way around it. So
which aims to support the well-being.
We're in a good shape here. It is just cold. More in a minute. So, and just as we're rolling into Parkville, Missouri, we got a few hundred yards left here. And I went to a slower speed area so you can actually see it. We're gonna have about 300-400 yards left in this. Quarter of a mile, half a mile, something like this. This is where we are. This is what that looks like it. And we're gonna be driving around here, hopefully. I have no clue where I'm at the moment. I just got off the highway. And in about 300 yards, we should be able to see, well, I have to turn here because that's a private road. So we're going back towards the highway. So this was part of Parkville, Missouri. Just said you saw that. And eventually we will get there. 200. We got about 100 yards left, and here it comes. We should be able to see it. It's starting to roll through. Alrighty, here comes the school bus. And I have to stop now for them. There we go. So, just as the school bus came and stopped us, we made it. 340,000 miles. I do not want to get the people on the camera. 340,000 miles. And I haven't done any repairs in quite some time. Just of what you have seen so far in the videos, that's all what I repaired. I still got to do the Woodruff, the offset Woodruff key on my camshafts, and when that's done, I hope so one of those days we will have another video on those. It is just getting off the old Woodruff's key. They're so stuck on there, and I really don't want to damage my camshafts. But we basically have gotten now 10,000 miles on it pretty much 2 years ago, since I did the big repair and we put the new fuel distributor in, the rebuilt one off eBay from the fellow in Florida. Anyway, you have a great day, and we're ready to go. Here we go. And we're getting back on the highway, and I got actually traffic lined up behind me. So with that, we can pat ourselves on the back. 340,000 miles, something you really don't see very often on these cars. All original. No, and I don't have a Chevy 350 big block in here. We didn't put any of that stuff in here. All right, fellas, have a great day.